You cannot innovate sitting in cubicles, period. If you want your team or your department or your organization to be innovative, throw out the cubicles, because innovation has to be inbuilt to the setup, the environment, the arrangement that you have of your surrounding to cultivate triggers and motivation for keeping yourself creative and innovative. Because what does the definition of innovation say as per our discussions earlier? Create an exponential impact using resources around you. Hence, to use resources around you, you need to create an environment where things need to be easily accessible and readily available whenever you want it. It should be within your line of sight at all times, because innovation needs brainstorming, continuous discussions, trying out things, debating and arguments. And cubicles are exactly opposite of that. Cubicles just confine you into your space where you are not getting distracted by anything and you focus on one thing. And to discuss anything, you have to move out of your cubicle, go to somewhere, go to a meeting room or somewhere and then discuss. And as I always say, innovation needs a surrounding that triggers discussion, that triggers debates, that triggers imagination. You need to feel free to talk around with people, have quick discussions, and there is no such thing called time pass or just a plain discussion in the field of innovation. Every discussion can lead to something or the other. Now, about this whole environmental setup and availability, let me give you an example. What do you think? Who is more likely to innovate on farming technology? A person who is surrounded by farms, agricultural equipments, who has grown up in between farms, played in the fields, or someone who has grown up in Mumbai or say working in Gurgaon, staying in DLF buildings and watching farming and farming technology, farming videos on YouTube. Which of these two? Thus, environment that you are in plays a huge impact on whether or not you will be able to innovate and think creatively. You will always hear people talk about motivation. You need to be motivated from within to innovate, to think creatively and all. That's all bullshit. Motivation is highly overrated in our society. You need to create a surrounding, an environment that triggers imagination, that triggers discussions with your colleagues, with your friend circles, so that this whole discussion becomes your motivation inherently. For example, which of these environment will trigger ideas in your mind? Like you sitting in a working in a cubicle with those gray partitions around you and your Windows desktop, looking at the screen with an office planner on your desk and a coffee mug given by your HR on your desk and working on spreadsheets and PPTs, or an open desk space where everyone, your colleagues, have their own type of things around them on their tables. You can cross talk with them, you can think out loud and have a discussion whenever you want. There are books and reading tables in between the setup. You don't have to go to some place to read or have a meeting. You can just sit together, come together at any point of time and discuss and then go back to your desks and work. Which of these do you think will trigger creativity and innovative discussions within the team? For example, even in our education system, like I have seen design schools, they have a very good setup where it's a very collaborative and open space and there are things happening and people discuss and think. Whereas if you compare to an engineering college classrooms, they are still those kind of very dictator type one-way communication kind of a setup where there is a stage where the professor stands and there is this rows of students just listening to him and there is not much discussions happening. And I feel more and more companies, teams, agencies, institutions, they should start adopting this open type of a setup where everything is within reach, like work, play things together in one area so that people can start engaging and discussing things around whenever they feel. That really triggers innovation culture within any organization. I hope I could help you visualize, imagine how to set up your environment if you want to trigger an innovation mindset, innovation culture within your teams, within your organizations. So thanks for joining. Feel free to reach out if you have any queries around it, if you have any specific doubts that I could help you with, depending on your setup, what you are into and what is the kind of work environment that you are in. We will be happy to talk. And thanks for joining today. Remember, do not innovate while driving. I will see you in the next one. My name is Susovan. This is Innovation Shots. Cheers.